The today's topic is very wonderful topic, so far as the common people as well as the whole world is concerned. The topic is the critical conditions today's situation is there throughout the world. So far as the corona is concerned, the topic is an implied and efficacious Ayurved management with special reference to Bhutabi Shangaja Jwar, that is coronavirus disorder. Is categorized in two things. That is one is Nija Jwara and another is Agantuja Jwara. In the Nija Jwara, the imbalance of three doshas when occur in the body, you may find one sort of that is the Nija Jwara, and another is the Agantuja Jwara. Agantuja Jwara means accidental, or the if some environment has changed and you will find some disorders which is called Agantuja Jwara. So this latest coronavirus or swine flu, dengue, chikungunya, all these viral disorders comes under the Agantuja Jwara. Nowadays, not only corona is there in the market, but simultaneously, when we are treating the cases, we have to think over all the disorders, that is dengue, chikungunya, swine flu, etc., etc. Like that, the corona is also one of the there. The dengue, so far as the dengue is concerned, very clearly mentioned in Charaka, that is the Vata Shlaishmika Jwara. Sitako Gauravam Tandra, Staimityam Parvanam Churu, Shiragraha Pratishaya, Kasa Sweda Pravartanam. Santapo Madhavegasya Vata Shleshma Jaravati. Dear friends, very clearly mentioned in Charak Samhita under the Sannipatika Jwara. And all the symptoms, what we find in the so far as the dengue is concerned, that can be compared exactly with the Ayurvedic synonyms or Ayurvedic symptoms. That is, Parvanam Charuk means the severe muscles ache. Jwara, severe fever. Shiragra, headache. Pratishaya, kasa, lymphadenopathy. Santapo, fever is again there. And all, if we are categorized it, all
Sir, sorry to interfere, sir. Sir, are you sharing slides, sir?
You are having that PPT, no? You may show these slides.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, give me a few seconds to organize it, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are doing it. Yes, sir.
Go on the next slide. Next slide. All are the attentive and well. Very good. What are the Ayurveda views? We have already explained well here. So far as the Jwar, Nija Jwar and the Agantu Jwar, all these Bhutapi Sangaja means viral and bacterial disorders are categorized under the Agantuja Jwar. And you may please open the 12th slide. That is the comparison slide. That is dengue. You can see here. Next, please. Next. Next. Yes, right. So nowadays we are facing the problem so far as the corona is concerned, and very clearly mentioned so far as the corona chikitsa already even all this complete PPT has shared with the government of India also. So any viral disorders can be categorized under the Bhutabhishangaja Jwar, that is Sannipatika Jwar. So according to Ayurveda, this can be categorized with the Kapholbana Vata Pittaja Jwar. Next. So what are the positive factors so far as this corona is concerned? So it may classified under the Janapada zones. Next, please. So in the Janapada zones, all the viral disorders. So far as the many people used to ask me, sir, do you have any wonderful treatment so far as the corona is concerned in Ayurveda? So all we must say that yes, the prevention and the immunity boosting dose, if we are thinking over it, the Shodhana means the you may go for the Mrudu Virechanam. So everybody should go for the Mrudu Virechan, as well as the what is the good SOP so far as the prevention is concerned, that is the Nasya, nasal drops therapy. Next, please. Yes, here, nasal drops therapy. So we have prepared already this oil, and we advocate all the people in the in my clinic that put 2 or 3 drops of oil, either sesame oil or the narikela taila, means that is coconut oil, mustard oil, etc., or even simple ghruta, that is the ghee, can be used every day. Everybody has to put 2 or 3 drops in both the nostrils in this way. Just enough. It is enough. Dear friends, I must not hesitate. Since last 1.5 years, I have not used the mask in my clinic. Just only because of these SOPs, fumigation as well as the nasal drop therapy, that is Nasya, plays very important role to prevent all the corona. Neither my house people, all my family people never affect, nor my complete hospital's staff never affect. Because when we enter in my hospital, always we start with the putting the 2 or 3 drops of oil in the both nostrils, as well as continuously we are fumigating our room with the help of some drugs. I shall tell you the drugs, the name of the particularly the drugs that are the Niyama Patra, that is the Azadirachta leaves of the Azadirachta indica. Then the turmeric powder. You may use the turmeric powder on the cow dung. If you don't have cow dung, you may simply use the any sort of the plate, even iron plate. You just hot it and put all this cow dung powder, mustard seed, carom seed powder, or the turmeric powder over there, and so that immediately the fume will start. So you have to fumigate your office or your home or living room, kitchen, or your bedroom, so that 100% it will. I have seen that none of the people get affected with all these fumes. So this plays very fumigation plays very important, because all these fumes are having antimicrobial activities. In many of the universities, it has very clearly mentioned, and research already done so far as the fumes are concerned, particularly all the drugs, what I advocate. So everybody should use this drug every day in the evening by 6 o'clock or in the morning by 7 o'clock. So that plays very important role. Then you have to build up the immunity. For build up the better immunity, you have to go for the Abhyangam. Abhyanga with the help of coconut oil or the mustard oil, sesame oil. This is the Abhyanga Tailam. This is Abhyanga Tailam. So you must use the Abhyanga Tailam. So every day before taking the bath, you should go for the Abhyanga oil massage on the chest as well as the back, both. Every day you should do. There is a quotation in Ayurveda, Abhyangam Achare Nityam, Sajara Sramavatah, Drushti Prasada Pushtyayu, Swapna Sutvakta Dharadakrut. So this quotation plays very important and clearly mentioned that you will not get affected. Another thing, you have to go for the exercise. That is the light exercise. It should be very light. Or you may go for the yoga abhyas. Please stop, madam, here. Treatment. Do not show this thing. And I am just finishing this preventive chapter. That is the Ardha Shakti Vyayama. Then light exercise, yoga abhyasa. I used to advise all the people that you should go for the Surya Namaskar every day in the morning 25 times or in the evening 25 times. So that plays very important role so far as to build up the immunity in yourself, in your body. Another main important thing is that should not take any sort of the meal after 7 p.m. Before 7 p.m., you should take your meal. You should finish your meal. That plays also very important role. Simultaneously, according to the Ayurveda, Rogaha Sarvepi Mandagnu, it is quoted to increase the Agni, increase the digestive power. If the digestion power is very good, so that you will not find any disorder. Even any disorder will not touch you. So for that, you must use the Sharangodaka or the even simple hot water, drinking the hot water. All these things, this protocol plays very important roles here so far as the prevention are concerned. And every time I used to say, according to Ayurveda also, it is very clearly mentioned, everybody and every day, everybody should go for the inhalation of the fumes. So this cigar, you just watch this cigar here, and you should inhale these fumes through the nostrils and leave these fumes with the mouth. In this way, suppose you will advocate to your patient, so definitely your immunity will increase. Next. Not only your not only your house, your clinic, your living house, living room, but simultaneously it is your prime duty to fumigate whole your village, whole your city. In this way, in the evening by 6 o'clock or in early in the morning by 7 o'clock. So definitely it is having the good effect in spite of doing the sanitization. So that is very important thing here. Next, we find in the so far as the corona is concerned, the asymptomatic patient you may find, the few people are getting the asymptomatic and only their reports become a positive. So in such a conditions,
Sir, you are muted, sir. Kindly unmute your system. Yes, sir. We
can you hear now?
Yeah, we can hear now.
Yes, okay. So you may in the asymptomatic patients, you should go for the Nasya therapy, then the Abhyanga therapy, as well as the Langana. Langana does not mean only the fasting. Langana means the Lagu Ahar, light diet should be advocated. So these things very important thing, as well as the Gandusha, gargle. Some gargles we always used to advise such in our clinic, all the patients, that Lavana Siddha Jala, as well as the Lavana Haridra Jala, etc., 3 or 5 times in a day. Then Lajanna Sevanam plays very important role. Lajanna, we are in our region, huge quantity of the Laja we get. So we used to advise the Lajanna Sevanam. In other region also, anybody can use.
So you are again muted, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Hear
sir.
me again?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it is clear.
In acute conditions, you may find some symptoms, that is the severe fever, weakness, severe weakness also you may find. So in this way, in these conditions, in acute conditions, in the pyroxia, you may use the Jwaragna Kashaya or the Vishanuvara Kashaya. I have prepared some Vishanuvara Kashaya. In that Kashaya, this is the Vishanuvara Kashaya. In this, what the ingredients of this Vishanuvara Kashaya is,
I think Dr. Gujarati's connection has been interrupted. We are trying to resume and get him back.
Talisati Churna, Yashtimadu Churna, Grutapushta, Haritra, Ballatakamasi, and Abrak Basma and Rasa Sindur. All these combinations is having wonderful result. That too within 3 or 4 days, the patient may completely relieved with this treatment. The Ballatakamasi plays very important role so far as the corona positive is concerned, because Vatakapa Harananam Ballatakaha. And in our conditions, in these conditions, we may use this Talisadi Mishranam. Somebody can use the Swaskutar Ras, Kantakaryavaleha, Arka Pushpa.
You're again muted, sir.
Even chew well with the help of Madhu or everything. So that time we are advising the chewable this candy 3 or 5 times in a day, and people are getting wonderful results so far as this candy is concerned. And another is that is some in asthmatic conditions we are using the some Dhumavarti, that is Datur Patradi Varti, Dhumavarti, Datura Patra, Trikatu, Nagavella Patra, and the Vachadi Dhumavarti. In your practice, and I please go for the Dhupana. This Dhupana Yantra is there. I shall show you this Dhupana Yantra. In your clinic, you may use this one, Dhupana Yantra. So in this way, you can fumigate your clothes, even both the nostrils, mouth, and hairs, and everything with the help of this machine. This is wonderful machine. Hence, we are getting this patent from the government of India. So this is very important fumigation machine, and by which you can fumigate your room, your bedroom, your living room, your clinic completely where you are sitting. Everybody, yes. So in this way, you can. These are the protocols of symptomatic or symptomatic. Now I am sharing you some critical conditions. In the critical conditions, If the oxygen level is goes below 70, so that time we must use the Naradiya Lakshmi Vilas Ras, Hemagarbha Pottali Rasa, Abraka Basma, Kanakasav frequently. So in this way, the patient may relieved from the ventilation, even ventilator even. So in the critical conditions, these drugs plays very important role. You should keep all these drugs in your clinic, which is having wonderful result. In so far as the post-COVID management is concerned, there is a wonderful quotation given in the Charaka, that is the Jwara Mukte Virechanam. I used to advise in all cases, most of the cases, even in the corona, Jwara Mukte Virechanam plays very important role. After, why should we use the Jwara Mukta Virechanam? Because if you are using this Virechana, castor oil or any drug, Triphala Churna, etc., again that disease will not occur. That is called apunarabhava. So far as the apunarabhava is concerned, everybody should use this quotation, that is Jwara Mukte Virechanam. And even thereafter, people may find the severe weakness after the corona, treating the complete corona. The Lagu Malini Vasanta, Swarna Mali Vasanta, etc. can be used. And I have prepared, that is Darwal Hara Yog, which contains Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Malati, that is the Mallika, Mogra जिसको कहते हैं मराठी में, हिंदी में, that is Malati Jasminum Sambac, Latin name is there, and Shatavari, Anantamula. This is Darwal Hara Yog. This plays very important role, and it is having wonderful effect so far as the post-COVID management is concerned. My dear friends, I am really very much thankful so far as the Global Ayurveda Festival is concerned, who has invited me. Hello, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can you show the another slides? That is the some cases so that people will understand. Yes, next. I am here going to show you some slides by which you can understand how the both lungs failure. See here, the complete opacity you may find after the treatment. Next, please. Next. See that within 8 days completely. Next, please. Next, because very short time we are having. Opacity are slightly regressed and remarkably improved on the 5th day. Next. The patient was found out of coma. She was in coma, and thereafter she again out of coma on the 6th day. Next. See here, again the opacity found regress compared to the previous one. Next. So it does not mean that Ayurveda doesn't have very wonderful treatment so far as in the critical conditions are concerned. This is the only my motto, to show you all these slides in this way. Many thanks, madam, for giving me an opportunity here to show you all my complete slides and everything. Herewith I am sharing my knowledge as per my level best. Thank you, madam.